Hello boys and girls. Today is my review of the Sanyo M6900. But first, let me show you a few things. This is where I'm at. And earlier today I cut that, made it nice and flat. So I was the top of this stump here, which I have done that. So now I just want to wide out. And I want to wake up the phones. So you wake up the phones. Okay, there we go. So today is Saturday, June 9th, 2019. 2019? No, I can't say this right. Anyway, it's the 9th of Saturday, 2018. There we go. 1431. Alright, whatever. I'll put those down. Alright. And then I want to get the camera. Okay, so here's the camera. And I have it queued up. So there we go. Wait, hold it this way. Yeah. So the other day I took this thing all apart and I serviced it. So here we go. There's the top. There's that end, the back end, that there. I opened it up and don't have much inside, and like that, and there, and rebelted it and took it apart and serviced all these things and put a new belt in, and so is that it? No, that's a different one. Okay, anyway, we'll leave that for next one. So now, wait, turn that off. Okay, now pick up this phone. Okay, all right, I need this phone. All right. So here, the radio's been playing this whole time very softly, so let me just walk over to it. No, I want to zoom into it. Yeah, let's zoom in. So, there we go. Move that over just a bit. That's pretty good. Alright, so, here it is. Playing on the radio this whole time.
In the body, everything from pain, blood sugar, immune system, blood pressure, bones.
You energy free.
Put on AM.
In a way to where it's very modern, very functional.
It's a very clean look.
Yeah, very clean. That's right.
Turn it off now. This thing's got so many issues with it, but here I'll show you the first one. The door is broke. Okay, so, well, it opens like that, but you close it. Well, it doesn't show it here, but the door is broke. Okay, so that's one issue. And then, because we're cleared in, let's put the phone down. It's missing this knob, and this is my recording tape. I'll put that back in. And play it briefly. 5100, it's 19 April 2018, there we go. So that does that. But here's the, as I got this, the record, the little tab that goes down here is lost. So I didn't know that until I really tried to make this thing all work. So you can hit record, it's just going to pull down the play button and play the tape. So. Then if we take of course, hit stop, hit play the black edge, it does the same thing. Okay, so now because it's closed up, right? So hit rewind, and rewind, stop, hit forward, okay. So it plays like that. I'll get out a tape in my pockets. So here's that out. Then here's what? Pop by Genesis. So hit play. So that, and if we again kick it out, flop it around, play whatever's on the other side.
nothing at all. Oh, when he shouts.
Okay, so you know it plays, then let's just kick that out. The tape kind of works. I don't know if you're noticing that, but that works. When you're playing the FM little indicator light does light up, but you're not going to see it in this bright sun unless we go out in the day dark. Okay, so lastly, I want to take this little Bluetooth thing, which I happen to be trying this machine, but try it here. So hit play. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay, so now that's working. Let me get out of here and go all the way back to that. Come back to the camera. Alright. And wide out all the way. Whoops. Alright, so where are we at? 6 minutes? Okay, so let's see, so hit that, hit this. Anyway, that all works. I can go through a bunch more songs, but I just want to. This takes 5D batteries. All right, takes 5D batteries. Oh, here, I'll let you see me walk up to it. I'm about 15 feet away, so walk up to it like that, and then just leave the phone here, I guess. Oh no, I need. And so here it is. Let me flip the thing around so I can see. Alright. Yeah, so it looks like that. Up close. It's got a nice antenna which has never been used. Evidently it's been sitting here all this time. Wait. There we go. What I want to show you is that if I pull it out, it's bright and shiny. So it's never been pulled out. It's been sitting here. See, that's all nice and shiny. So it's got some kind of, who knows, corrosion there on there. All right. Okay, so that, and the clips are there for it. And let's see here. I don't know how that started, but it did. Let's see. So what I was trying to show is this right here. So look for my finger in the viewfinder. There we go. I don't know if you can see this because the camera's in the shade, kind of, but that's what it is. A Sanyo M6900. Okay, so, and it just has a headphone jack, and it has a AC input right there, and it takes you know, 5 C batteries right there. See that? There. Okay. Alright. And that's about all I know. Works fine. Plays tapes. The radio works. Just you cannot record with this because the little tab is missing down here. And it's missing this cover tab right here. And that's all I know. Okay, so alright, so hopefully you enjoyed. This thing all works. It's for sale, or I may just, I don't know. There it is. Alright, so my fresh treat stump, like that. Put it up here nice and flat. I like that. So there we go. So there's that and that. Yep. Let's see here. What can I go back to? I was playing this by accident. Thank you. Alright, well, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.